This OEG Parts Select starter is purpose-built for Tecumseh snowblower engines, giving older machines a reliable push-button start in very cold weather. Its 120-volt 15-amp design with counterclockwise rotation and 16-tooth drive gear matches common Tecumseh specifications, so engagement with the flywheel is smooth and positive. The unit arrives as a complete assembly with mounting hardware and 2 bolt holes, making installation straightforward for most do-it-yourself owners. Construction quality feels solid, with premium components that are clearly intended to handle repeated winter starts without excessive wear. Compatibility with a wide range of Tecumseh part numbers means it can replace many original starters that are no longer available from the engine manufacturer. Each starter is tested for performance and durability, which inspires confidence that it will crank stubborn snowblower engines when the temperature drops.